Welcome student, welcome to my channel Concept Clear by Maji. Today in this video I will discuss with you some important sums related to lines, angle, triangle. These sums are not to find something, this is proof, which are some difficult, you are facing some difficulties. These sums are very important if you are in class 9 CBSE. Class 9 CBSE and also for the students of 7 and 8 in ICSE. Let's start. Two sums are written in the whiteboard. If two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, then prove that the bisectors of any pair of alternate angles are parallel. Figure is not given, you have to draw the figure. AP and CD are two parallel lines and T is a transversal which cuts AB at P and CD at Q. Two alternate angles are APQ and PQD. Two alternate angles are APQ. APQ means this and PQD means this. The bisector of these two alternate angles PM and QN. You have to prove that these two lines are parallel to each other. Step by step required to prove. PM parallel to QN. Now proof. APQ angle is equal to PQD angle, reason interior alternate angles. These are bisectors, that means APB, APQ by 2 is equal to PQD by 2 dividing by 2 on both sides. Dividing by 2 on both sides. Now, APQ by 2 means MPQ. MPQ angle is equal to PQD by 2 means this angle PQN. PQN. From figure. Reason is very important from figure. Now, these two angles are in the position of alternate angle. If two lines are parallel, then alternate angles are equal. Conversely, if alternate angles are equal, then lines are parallel. Therefore, you can conclude that PM parallel to QN. Hence proved. পুরোটা আবার বলে দিচ্ছি, প্রুভ করতে হবে PM parallel to QN, APQ angle equal to PQD angle, alternate angle, and by 2 dividing by 2 because these are bisectors, eta by 2, eta by 2, that is equal to this angle is equal to this angle. Therefore, PM equal to PM parallel to QN as alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. This is the first proof. Second proof. Question number 2, which is also written in the whiteboard. If two parallel lines are intersected by a transversal, prove that the bisectors of four interior angles, not alternate interior. That means AB and CD are two parallel lines they are intersected by a third line EF at G and H respectively. G and H respectively. You have to prove that four interior angles, this, and this, bisector of them form a rectangle. Forms a rectangle. That means you have to prove, required to prove is GPHQ is a rectangle. Is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. If you have to prove something a rectangle, then at first you have to prove this is a parallelogram. কাউকে rectangle prove করতে গেলে তাকে প্রথমে parallelogram prove করতে হবে, সেটাই আমরা ফার্স্ট করছি। This angle equal to this angle because these are parallel, so this angle means AGH angle. AGH angle is equal to GHD angle. Alternate angles are equal. Bisector of them, these are bisectors, therefore half of this equal to half of this. AGH by 2 is equal to GHD by 2. Therefore AGH by 2 means PGH angle. PGH angle is equal to GHD. GHD by 2 means GHQ. But they are alternate angle. This equal to this alternate angle. Therefore GP parallel to HQ because alternate angles are equal. Alternate angles are equal. Similarly, this angle is equal to this angle. That means BGH angle is equal to GHD angle. Sorry, GHD no, GHC angle. Therefore half of this is equal to half of this. And therefore half of this is equal to this. QGH angle is equal to GHP angle, but they are alternate angle. Therefore GQ parallel to PH. Therefore both the opposite sides, both pair of opposite sides are parallel. Therefore this is a GPHQ is a parallelogram. But in this figure these two angles are co-interior angles. Bisect that means this plus this equal to 180 degree. Half of this plus half of this is equal to 90 degree. Therefore this angle is equal to, from this triangle, this is 90 degree. 180 minus this plus this 90. Therefore this is a right angle. In a parallelogram, if one angle is right angle, then it is a rectangle. That means you have to write that BGH angle plus, next step, plus GHD angle is equal to 180 degree. Color is changes all. That means BGH by 2 plus GHD by 2 is equal to 90 degree. This angle plus this angle is equal to 180 degree. Therefore third angle GQH is equal to, from this triangle, 180 minus 90 means 90 degree. Third angle. দুটো অ্যাঙ্গেলের সাম 90 হয়ে গেছে, তো থার্ড অ্যাঙ্গেলটা কত হবে 90 ডিগ্রি। therefore GPHQ is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. These two are very very important sums from parallel lines. Some other two sums are also important from triangle. In triangle ABC, video will be lengthy. In triangle ABC, the bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at a point O. ABC is a triangle in which bisectors of angle B and angle C meet at O. You have to prove that. Required to prove. আজকে যে চারটে অঙ্ক করাচ্ছি চারটেই ভেরি ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট ফর মিড টার্ম এক্সাম। অ্যাঙ্গেল BOC is equal to 90 degree plus half angle A. 90 degree plus half angle A. You have to prove it. Proof. Let's start. Proof. Angle A from triangle ABC বলছি। Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Therefore, A by 2 plus B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 90. Dividing by 2 on both sides. These are bisectors. Therefore, B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus A by 2. B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to B by 2 means this, C by 2 means this. Now, in triangle BOC, angle BOC is equal to 180 degree minus B by 2 plus C by 2. Therefore, 180 degree minus 90 degree minus A by 2. আমাদের এটা করা আছে। B by 2 plus C by 2 is equal to 90 degree minus A by 2 is equal to 180 minus 90 plus A by 2. Therefore, 180 minus 90 means 90 plus A by 2. Hence proved. 90 degree plus BOC is equal to 90 degree plus, in triangle it is angle sum property. Angle sum property. This sum is also very very important. Another important sum, only বুঝিয়ে দেব, করব না, বলছি তাই কিন্তু করে দিচ্ছি। In triangle ABC, AB and AC are produced to P and Q. AB up to Q and BAC up to এটা P and Q. ঠিক আছে। PBC, the bisectors of PBC and QCB meet at O. You have to prove that same BOC is equal to 90 minus A by 2. 90 minus A by 2. This is also very important sum. First of all, this angle is an exterior angle. Exterior angle PBC is equal to interior angle A plus interior angle C. Exterior angle property. Exterior angle property means exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior. This is number 1. Exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. Number 2, this is also exterior angle QCB is equal to interior angle A plus interior angle B. Reason same. Now adding 1 and 2. Now adding 1 and 2. Exterior angle PBC plus exterior angle QCB is equal to ABC plus angle A. Therefore, PBC plus QCB is equal to 180 degree plus A. 180 degree plus A. Dividing by 2 on both sides. PBC by 2 plus QCB by 2 is equal to 90 degree plus A by 2. PBC by 2 means this angle. Therefore, OBC angle plus OCB angle is equal to 90 degree plus A by 2. Now, in triangle BOC, angle BOC is equal to 180 minus OBC plus OCB. OBC plus OCB. Therefore, BOC angle is equal to 180 minus BOC plus OCB is equal to এখানে করা আছে is equal to 90 degree plus A by 2 is equal to 180 minus 90 plus A minus A by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. These four sums are proved. BOC is equal to 180 minus 2, hence proved. Hence proved. These four sums are very important for your forthcoming mid-term exam. Prove it. To get this kind of informative video, please subscribe the channel. I will come very frequently. Thank you very much.